there, animal lovers! Welcome back to Quiz Kingdom. Today, let's see how well you know your animals in our special general knowledge trivia quiz. Froggy has 60 questions about animals for you, and you only have 10 seconds to answer. Get ready, because this is going to be wild. But first, hit the like and subscribe button for Quiz Kingdom so you don't miss more awesome challenges. Let's get started. Here comes the first question. Who swims the fastest? It's shark. Do you know which one hibernates? It's hedgehog. They can sleep all winter. Which one can sleep standing up? Horse. They nap standing up. Tell Froggy which animal can live 200 years. Turtle. Froggy's playtime has come. Take a good look at these cute animals and remember their positions. Can you tell where the turtle is? You found it! The turtle's in number 2. Next, which one can fly backwards? Hummingbird. It's the only bird that can fly backwards. Which one's a symbol of peace? Yes, it's dove. Which one can swim? This must be easy. It's penguin. Not great at flying, but awesome in the water. Which one runs the fastest? Cheetah, the fastest animal on land. Oh no! Would you rather get chased by a lion or like this video and survive? What's your choice? Froggy will press the like button right away. Which one's a reptile? Yeah, it's snake. Do you know which one has 10 legs? It's crab. Which one can hibernate for 3 years? Snail. Tell Froggy which one has 3 hearts. Octopus. Froggy knows there's an imposter between the octopus, but where is it? Froggy knows it! There's a squid hiding in this octopus. Which one's the smallest? Hummingbird. Which animal can sleep 20 hours a day? Koala spends most of the day snoozing in trees. Next, which one makes honey? It's bee! Easy peasy. Which one has the highest IQ? Parrot! They can even talk! Can you tell which animal's hiding in this picture? Here's some tips. Just squint your eyes. Yes, it's a cute cat! Do you know which one's the tallest? The answer's giraffe. Which animal's associated with delivering babies? Yeah, stork's famous for stories about delivering babies. Which one is a queen? Easy peasy, huh? Correct, it's ant. Which one's the largest land carnivore? It's polar bear. Look carefully. Can you spot 3 differences in these pictures? Well done! They're here, here, and here. Froggy wonders which one has square-shaped poop. Wombat. Yep, they have square poops. Which animal's the slowest in the world? Snail. They are so slow. Keep on. Which bird's famous for its colorful tail? Peacock. They're beautiful. Which one's known as man's best friend? Of course, it's dog. Do you think this voice sounds familiar? Which animal's that? The voice belongs to a newborn kitten. Tell Froggy which animal doesn't have a brain. The answer's starfish. Which one has a tongue longer than its body? It's chameleon. Do you know which animal can build dams? Beaver. They're natural builders. Which is the largest fish in the world? It's whale shark. Time for a memory test for you. Watch closely and remember where each sea animal is. Now, tell Froggy where the great white shark is. It's under number 4. You did it! Next, which one produces ink to defend itself? Yeah, it's octopus. Which one uses its skin to breathe underwater? Frog. Do you know which one's a night bird? Yes, it's owl. They can see clearly at night. Which animal has teeth? Surprise! Snail has teeth. Would you rather become a snail or subscribe to Quiz Kingdom? Tell Froggy your choice in the comments. Which one can regrow its limbs? Starfish. Which animal's the heaviest? Yeah, it's whale. Which one's famous for its laugh? It's hyena. Which one's considered the king of the jungle? Yes, the answer's lion. Wow, there's a pride of lions here. Can you spot the odd lion? Here it is, the lion cub on the second row. Which one has a pouch to carry its baby? Kangaroo. Which one can walk on water? Wow, the basilisk lizard can walk on water. Which animal has two humps? It's camel. Keep on. Which animal has black skin? Yeah, it's polar bear. Woohoo! There's so many cute animals here. Can you find which one doesn't repeat? Correct! Panda's the only one that stands alone. Which one's the national animal of Australia? Kangaroo! Which animal can release electricity? Yes, it's the electric eel. Tell Froggy which one has the strongest bite. It's crocodile. They look so scary. Which one can change color to blend in? Chameleon. Let's test your eyes. Try to spot all the differences. Here's the answer. Can you find them all? Which one uses a web to catch its prey? Definitely the spider. Froggy wonders which animal sleeps upside down. It's bad. Hang upside down to sleep in dark places. Which one has the longest horns? Antelope. Some have super long, twisty horns. Do you know which animal cannot fly? It's chicken. Last one. Which whale has teeth? It's the sperm whale. They use their teeth to hunt squid. You did it! How many scores did you get? Let's comment down below. Thank you for watching the video, and now go ahead and pick your next challenge. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel Quiz Kingdom for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next challenge.